Imagine standing on the cobblestone streets of a quaint European town. The smell of fresh pastries wafting through the air, and the melodic toll of ancient church bells echoing in the distance. From cliffside towns to tranquil mountain retreats, vibrant cultures to delectable cuisines, these destinations promise an authentic experience that will ignite your adventurous spirit and leave unforgettable memories. Welcome to Europe, a treasure trove of beautiful gems and unique destinations ripe for discovery, where a panorama of cultural heritage unfolds before your eyes, inviting you to dive deeper. Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover 7 of the best-kept secrets in Europe. So grab your travel journal, fasten your seatbelt, and prepare to traverse the road less traveled in Europe. Number 1. Setenile de la Bodegas, Spain. Our European expedition takes off in a place where houses nestle under a rock. Welcome to the breathtaking Setenile de la Bodegas, tucked away in southern Spain. Here, human spirit and nature come together to forge an extraordinary spectacle that blurs the line between natural grandeur and human innovation. Meander along the starkly whitewashed streets, let the aura of the formidable cliffs wash over you, and delve into the deep-seated history embedded in the walls of the majestic Nazari Castle. Fun fact, Setenile de la Bodegas bears imprints of both Moorish and Christian influences. The town's identity is a fascinating blend of the two cultures, visible in its architecture and local traditions. With the sun casting a golden hue over the town, make your way to the Church of La Encarnación. The serenity within these walls is the perfect punctuation to your day, adding a divine touch to your unique journey in Setenile de la Bodegas. Remember, this is the town where human resilience and architectural marvels create an incredible harmony, a perfect start to our off-the-beaten-track European adventure. Number 2. The Algarve, Portugal. Our next stop whisks us away to the radiant Algarve, Portugal's very own heaven on earth. This gem, hidden along the Atlantic coastline, is all set to captivate you with its blustery beaches, robust landscapes, and charming towns dressed in white. Standing apart from its Mediterranean kin, the Algarve delivers a sublime escape without putting a strain on your wallet. Here, the calming whisper of nature intertwines with the rich local culture, immersing you in the genuine Portuguese lifestyle. Local recommendation: as you traverse this beautiful region, be sure to visit the iconic lighthouse of Cape St. Vincent or the charming Santa Maria Lighthouse. All this exploring should have made you hungry by now. Consider a meal at one of the many oceanfront restaurants, where you can indulge in fresh seafood while enjoying the Atlantic's endless panorama. The Algarve, where the serenity of nature and vibrant local life blend effortlessly, is a must-visit destination on our European escapade. Number 3. Dingle, Ireland. Welcome to Dingle, one of Ireland's most charming spots. Perched on the Atlantic coast, this quaint town exudes a unique blend of creativity and cosmopolitan flair. It's no wonder that it was chosen as the filming location for the renowned movie Ryan's Daughter back in 1969. As you stroll through the streets of Dingle, you'll be greeted by friendly locals and the inviting sounds of traditional Irish music drifting from the pubs. Speaking of pubs, one that stands out is Dick Mac's, which also doubles as a leather shop, a testament to the town's distinctive character. This place has such a charming personality, celebrities like Keanu Reeves and Julia Roberts just couldn't resist the allure of Dingle, making it a regular destination. Have you ever wondered what exploring the untouched Albanian paradise would be like? Or what about standing beneath a medieval stronghold in Italy? Stay tuned, and we'll give you an insider look that only a local could give. Number 4. Theth National Park, Albania. Our adventure takes a turn towards the pristine wilderness with our next stop, Theth National Park. Hidden in the core of Albania, this haven is a dream manifest for those who adore nature and thrive on adventure. This mesmerizing park doesn't only offer stunning landscapes, but also shelters traditional Albanian villages. Immerse yourself in history and local culture as you wander off the beaten track, evading the typical tourist bustle. Have you ever heard of the Lock-In Tower? This intriguing piece of Albanian architecture, also known as Kula, is a sight to behold in Theth. Historically a shelter during blood feuds, this tower is a symbol of the park's rich cultural heritage. Experience the thrill of hiking through Theth's rugged terrain, reaching the cascading Grunas waterfall or the ethereal Blue Eye, a natural spring with crystal clear water. As you navigate this wild paradise, don't forget to pause, breathe in the clean mountain air, and cherish the beauty of untouched nature. Theth National Park, with its compelling blend of culture and natural allure, is an off-the-beaten-path destination you wouldn't want to miss on your European tour. Number 5. Brisighella, Italy. We set foot next in the storybook lanes of Brisighella. This enchanting haven is your window into the medieval epoch, nestled comfortably between 3 commanding hills. Picture this: a venerable castle, a time-honored clock tower, and an ancient church bearing witness to centuries past, all standing guard over the town. Ever yearned to indulge in world-class wines and olive oil straight from the vine and tree? Brisighella answers your call, and don't forget to reward yourself with some authentic Italian gelato, an experience that is quintessentially Italy. And while you're here, be sure to visit Brisighella's castle. A trip up to this stronghold not only awards you with sweeping views of the town, but also lets you explore a medieval torture museum. Youch! As the day transitions into a tapestry of twilight hues, make sure to witness the town from the clock tower's vantage point. The sight of the sun casting long shadows over the medieval landscape is nothing short of mesmerizing. Can you guess where is the next destination? Prepare yourself for an encounter with a town where history, art, and music paint a vivid masterpiece. This precious gem is famous for its 2.5-century-old homes and a unique museum dedicated to an instrument that has made its mark on classical music. Number 6. Mittenwald, Germany. We now journey northwards, immersing ourselves into the soul of Bavaria, Germany. Welcome to Mittenwald, a town where time-stamped homes blush with color, the Alps keep a watchful eye, and wholesome Bavarian cuisine promises to satiate your soul. Embark on a journey through Alderstadt, or the Old Town. Gasp in wonder at the radiant murals adorning the 250-year-old homes that retain their youthful charms. Mittenwald's allure doesn't end with its vibrant town centre. It extends into the realms of the nearby Karwendel Alps. Did you know that the Violin Museum in Mittenwald is a testament to the town's rich history of violin making? That's right, once you've had your fill of the town's artistic buildings, make sure to stop by this museum for a melodious interlude. And where the allure of the mountains becomes too irresistible, they offer the ideal alpine escapade. Be it summer hikes amidst wildflower-covered slopes or winter skiing through powder-white landscapes. Number 7. Varna, Bulgaria. Our adventure now takes us to the sparkling gem of the Black Sea. Welcome to Varna. This Bulgarian delight surpasses the charm of a bustling cosmopolitan city, transforming itself into a treasured find with its pristine beaches, vibrant cultural milieu, and historical treasures. Embark on a journey back in time with the colossal Roman bath complex. Immerse yourself in history at the Archaeological Museum, or indulge your palate at quirky restaurants, cafes, and bars. Here's the cherry on top. Despite its urban sophistication, Varna remains delightfully budget-friendly. Want to know something unique? Varna's Archaeological Museum houses the world's oldest gold treasure. It's worth exploring this museum for its diverse exhibits and this record-holding golden collection, but don't get any funny ideas. With its perfect blend of history and culture, Varna stands as an essential waypoint in our European voyage. So, as the locals would say, Dobre došli, or welcome to Varna. And there we have it, my fellow explorers. We ventured into the secret pockets of Europe, unraveling narratives of enchantment that each corner holds. Remember, the real magic lies beyond the well-trodden paths. Always strive to find your personal paradise. If you've enjoyed this tour, please hit that like button, share it with your fellow wanderers, and subscribe to our channel for more hidden treasures from around the globe. Comment below if we missed any hidden gems. We will cover it in our next videos. If you're looking for secret resorts in Europe, we have linked that video on the screen. Thank you for joining us today, and we eagerly anticipate your company on our next journey. Keep exploring.